making Philly cheesesteaks, and I'm making some dip or whatever. So yeah, we'll get back to the dip in a second. I'm about to go ahead and start the Philly cheesesteaks because it takes a little bit longer. And then I'll show y'all how I concoct this dip together. I got my canned chicken breast in here. Now I'm about to put this room temperature cream cheese in here. The thing is, you want it to be room temperature so when you mix it all together, it'll be easier to go through. So yeah, I'm about to put this in there. Sour cream, spinach, and some other stuff. 1 second. Looks like a lot going on right now, but I'm about to mix this all together, and then I'm gonna add cheese and stuff and pop it in the oven. So, hold on, be right back. See, I've been trying my best to smooth everything out and get it real neat. I'm gonna top it with some cheese and then put some aluminum foil on it and let it cook on 350 for like 30 minutes. And then that's the end of that. I'm having some technical difficulties with these breads, Lord. But yeah. So I'm almost done cooking. I'm not even about to bother with the other bread. I'm just gonna use what I have to get what I want and leave it at that. Period.